Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video from me, Kaya Journey. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you subscribe if you like the content that you see. And to all my old timers, hello, welcome back. Good for seeing you, malang for seeing you. Thank you very much. Today's just gonna be a fun tag video. I don't have any products or anything to review. It's a snow day today. I actually had to go to work, and then when I went to work, we had to leave early because the snow was so bad, and I had all this makeup on my face. I'm like, why waste a good makeup look? So I came home and added just a little bit of extra stuff because I don't do all this extraness to go to work. So I added some extra stuff, and I said, let's record a video because I'm not wasting this good face. In this video, I'm just going to do a quick tag video of the five makeup items that are beauty items that I can live without, that I just don't need. I use them because I want to, but I don't need them. I got this inspiration from a few other YouTubers. Keisha Dinkler is one, of course. I will link her video below if you want to watch her video. Malika, I believe, Naturally Malika also did this tag video. And I believe Erin from A Greener Kind of Life, Erin also did this video. And now I'm partaking. So here are my 5 beauty items that I can definitely live without. First one is primer. I use it, I like it, but do I really need it? And my answer to that is no, because there have been times when I ran out of primer and I just put on the makeup and my face looked fine regardless. So primer is something like, it's good, it helps your makeup, but I don't really need it, you know? And that's something we need. So primer is number 1. Definitely don't need that. Concealer. I can live without it. I do have dark circles under my eye. I am working on it, but for me to correct that, I prefer to use a color corrector, like an orange one. That's my choice. But concealer, it's nice. Am I wearing concealer today? Yes. Do I need it? No. I go many days without concealer. So concealer to me is something that's just like, it's a plus, but it's not a necessity. Now, color corrector now, that is a necessity for me all day, every day. Like, I needed a color corrector. So concealer, bye. I really don't need you right now. Conceal somebody else. All this, contour, don't need it. I don't need it. I have a round face. Let me see. Yeah, my face is kind of round. You know, it's not that chiseled. But contour for me is just, I'm not hating on who contours. It's just, I never got the fascination for myself. And not only that, I don't really know how to contour. I guess you just put it there and blend it in. But to me, it looks like a dark line on my jaw. And I didn't like the way it looks. And it just looks messy. And I don't know how to blend it right. And I don't need it. I like my fat face. My fat face is fine for me. It's fat, but it's cute. So contour for me, even nose contour, I don't need that either. I love my nose. Not that I'm saying if you contour, you hate your nose. I'm not saying that. I am not saying that. What I am saying though is for me, I don't need to contour my nose. I don't find it necessary. My nose or my cheekbones, I can live without it. Do I do it sometimes? Yes, just to practice the art of it and to teach myself, but not necessary for me. Blush. Blush, blush, blush. I don't know what happened, but years ago I used to live on blush. Blush was like everything for me. I couldn't leave the house without blush. Blush was like, I'll put on so much blush it would be extra. But for the past like 2 years, 2 years, 1 year, no 2 years, I don't know. Blush is just, I just like my cheeks to be glowy with highlight, but blush is not something that I need on my cheeks. I don't like color. I just don't like the color on my cheeks. I don't know. Especially bright blush. If I was to do a blush, it would be like a nice subtle blush, but bright pinks and them kind of something there. And an orange blush, yes, it's nice and subtle, but blush, and I have a lot of blush. I just can't live without it. Not for me. Sorry. And the last product that I can live without, and I know this might be a big shocker for you guys because I use this product a lot, but this is for my everyday life. In my everyday life, basic, like go work and come home and that's it. I can live without eyeshadows. I know it's a shocker because I do a lot of makeup looks and I show you guys how to do the eyeshadow, you know, how to create different looks. But for me, I use that as just to practice my skill and just to do these videos. Apart from that, I don't wear eyeshadows in my everyday life. I just apply this just to do this video. And this is one eyeshadow and a highlight in the inner tear duct. That's all this is right here. I don't know if you can see it, but if you can, that's what it is. But every day I don't wear eyeshadow. I only bust out my eyeshadow kit when I am doing a specific video to show you guys an eyeshadow look. I only spend money on an eyeshadow if I have a look in mind and I need the shadow for it. And I only use eyeshadows when I want to test my skills and to push myself to create something new. But other than that, I don't need eyeshadow. I know I use it so much and it might be a shocker, but I can live without it. I need eyeliner though. Eyeliner is my thing. A nice wing liner, yes. But eyeshadow, not necessary for me at all, not necessary. So that was it. Those are my 5 beauty items that I can definitely live without. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections. What are your beauty items that you can live without? And do you guys agree with the things that I said, or do you disagree? Just let me know. Let's talk about it. Was anything a shocker for you? The things that I said, you think that I can't live without it? Did they shock you? Or are you like, yeah, I can see you living without that? Let me know in the comment section. That is all for now, you guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys stick around and come back for the next video. And that's it. Hopefully you have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. Bye. Real quick, for those of you, why can I never talk? For those of you that are wondering, I get these questions a lot. What I'm wearing on my lips today, this is Cloven Hollow. This is their color Uptown with a brown lip liner. I will have a swatch video coming very shortly with the Cloven Hollow liquid lipsticks, but this is Uptown, one of my absolute favorites from them, just in case you were wondering.